Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Poco F3 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. And guys, and the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is powered by Samsung Exynos 990 processor with the 8GB of RAM, while the Poco F3 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 processor with the 8GB of RAM as well. And the Poco F3 is also support 5G as well. On the back, we have a triple cameras on both these two devices. We have a triple 12 megapixel cameras, while on the Poco F3 we have a 48 megapixel main camera, and then we have a ultra wide as well as a macro. So in this video I'm going to show you how much the difference between a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 versus the Poco F3 in apps opening speed as well as in the boot up test. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. And guys, and both phones is completely off. Now let's start off with the boot up test. Here we go. And the logo is here more faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 as compared to the Poco F3. And guys, also, and both phones is running on Android 11. We have a Samsung One UI version 3.1, while on the Poco F3 we have MIUI version 12.5, and you can see latest MIUI version. And you can see in the Poco F3 it is a super fast phone when it comes to putting up, while the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 take a lot of time, and you can see huge difference when it comes to putting up. And now the Note 20 it is also done, and you can see about 8 or 9 second difference, maybe more, between these two devices when it comes to booting up. And guys, you can see that and both phones has a very similar display. We have a Full HD AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate on the Poco F3, while on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 we also have a Full HD Super AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, and also we get a center punch hole on both phones, which is much smaller on the Poco F3 as compared to the Note 20. And guys, also in the Note 20 also has the S Pen, and you can see, which you don't see on the Poco F3, and you can see, and that's a really unique thing that we're getting with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So now let's see the apps opening speed on both phones. Okay guys, everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no application is running in the background, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Now let's see phone dialer, that is exactly the same on both phones. So next on the list is the settings on both phones, that is a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. So now let's go display on both phones, and you can see we have 120Hz refresh rate on the Poco F3, while on the Note 20 we does not have any high refresh rate display. So now let's check out some more application. Now let's start off with the Amazon shopping on both phones. Same Wi-Fi network on both phones, faster on the F3 as compared to the Note 20. So now let's see the scrolling, again much smoother on the Poco F3 because of the 120Hz refresh rate as compared to 60Hz. Now let's see some games application. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, and you can see exactly the same on both phones, not a single difference. Instagram, that is exactly the same. Let's see Pinout, again exactly the same on both phones. Let's see Snapchat, faster a little bit on the Note 20, and the social media application it is more faster always on Samsung phones. Let's see Spotify, that is exactly the same again. Let's see Subway Surfer, and that is again faster on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and you can see as compared to the Poco F3. Again we have a Snapdragon 870 versus a Exynos 990 chipset on the Note 20, and the Exynos 990 it is a really bad chipset in terms of the heating wise. So let's see PUBG Mobile on both phones, and I also enable the game mode on both phones, and you can see in the Poco F3 it is faster there, and I also log in my account on the Note 20 F3 it is faster there. And now the Note 20 it is also done. Let's see Temper Run 2, last game application we have in this speed test, again more faster on the Poco F3, and you can see, and guys, and the most of the time and the Poco F3 it is more faster there. At the Snapdragon 870 it is a really powerful chipset against the Exynos 990 inside the Note 20. Now let's opening up the router, faster on the Poco F3. Zedge, faster again on the F3, and you can see as compared to the Note 20. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is again much smoother on the Poco F3, but overall no lag whatsoever on both phones, but everything it feels more smoother on the Poco F3. So last time I launched the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that who is going to be the fastest one. Faster on the F3 as compared to the Note 20. Again, we have ultra wide as well as a 3x optical zoom on the Note 20, which is not really available on the Poco F3. And also we get a flagship level back cameras. Okay guys, now let's see internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the Note 20, while on the Poco F3 we get a Google Chrome. So now let's see wikipedia.org. Faster little bit on the Poco F3. So now let's see the scrolling. Yes, I see little bit lag in the start, but after some time much smoother on the Poco F3. So now let's open this English, and that is again faster on the Poco F3. So now let's see this, and faster on the Poco F3 as compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Let's see the scrolling, again more smoother on the Poco F3 because we have 120 Hz. And next on the list is the jsubmariner.com, and that is very similar on both phones. Now let's see the scrolling, again more smoother on the Poco F3 as compared to the Note 20. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones, and both phones has 8 GB of RAM. Now let's see that who is performed really good in the RAM management. Again, we have Samsung One UI as compared to MIUI version 12.5. Let's see phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh. Amazon shopping and that card refresh on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, refresh on the Note 20. Instagram, no refresh. Let's see Pinout, no refresh. Let's see Snapchat, no refresh. Let's see Spotify, same result. Subway Surfer, same result. Let's see PUBG Mobile, again no refresh. Let's see Temple 2, same result. Let's see the Twitter, no refresh. Zedge. Last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, as you can see that, and the Poco F3 is perform a little bit more faster as compared to the Note 20 in game app loading time only, and the Note 20 it is more faster as compared to the Poco F3 in system-based application as well as in the social media application. In terms of the RAM management device, and both phones is perform incredible in the RAM management. But guys, also on the Poco F3 we also have a super wallpaper, and you can see which looks really good on the Poco F3. So that's a really good thing as well. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Poco F3 versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.